Hello everybody, welcome to SCC Digital Zone. As I remember in the last or previous class, we have seen that only the intro that I have taught you on this digital platform, and now this is the second class in which we tell you or discuss you the syllabus of class 6 mathematics, and you have to see this syllabus by proper manner. So let us see the syllabus. Yes, this is the syllabus of class 6 mathematics. In this syllabus we see that there are 14 chapters. As we told you earlier, these syllabus are according to the NCERT books. According to NCERT books, there are 14 chapters in mathematics book, in which first chapter is knowing our numbers. In this chapter we learn the numbers like natural numbers, comparison of numbers, smaller number, greater number, smallest, largest numbers. Also in this chapter we see the largest number up to 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, and comparison of that number. Also in this chapter we learn the Roman numerals, use of brackets, Indian system of numeration, and also international system of numeration. These all topics and more topics we see here in this chapter. And the second chapter is whole numbers. As you know, the whole number start with 0, 1, 2, etc. So after starting these chapters, we'll see all this. And the third is playing with numbers, in which we see different numbers and we play and to solve these numbers one by one. And the next chapter is basic geometrical ideas. In this we see basics of geometry and their ideas. And the fifth chapter is understanding elementary shapes, in which we see the shapes of triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, cylinder, etc. And the sixth chapter is integers, in which we see the positive numbers, negative numbers, 0 itself. And in decimals we see different types of numbers like 0.4, 5.9. These all are the example of decimal numbers. And the ninth chapter is data handling, and 10th chapter is mensurations, in which we solve the questions of area, perimeter, etc. And 11th chapter is algebra, in which we see the fractional numbers, variables, and constant numbers, like that type of question in which we find the value of x. And the next chapter is ratio and proportion, and the next is the symmetry, and the last chapter is practical geometry. All these chapters are very interesting, and we will study all these chapters one by one. Thanks. Bye.